Can you see my screen now? Can you see my
Yes, sir.
screen now?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So today is our last session for HANA securities, and we'll cover rules as we had some issue in our last session. It was a very small issue. We just have made a mistake, and we'll see that how I have troubleshooted that, and then we'll see export and import, and then we'll also cover transportation of SAP HANA. Okay. So I have two systems now. Having these two systems, we can perform transportation activities, and before that, we'll complete the repository role. We have already discussed about repository role in detail in our last session, and we got the error. Where actually we got the error? We got the error while adding schema. We were allowed to add the schema in the repository role without granting sysrepo. It was successful. The reason is, I'll show you that. I'll cover that again. Okay. So we have HR info schema. Okay, fine. And I have created a schema in which I have created a table, HR data. Table name is HR data. With we have covered all these in analytic privileges. And then I created a package, HR info. And using this schema, HR info schema and HR data table, I created a view. Okay. I just have created a view. Okay. Hello, can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me?
Yes,
Hello.
yes, sir. I can hear you.
We can hear you.
Arun, all can hear me. Just check your earphones. Okay. Okay.
Yes, we can hear.
Yeah. So what I have done is I have created a package, and under this package I have created a view. Understood? Okay. I have created this view, and then I have also created an analytic privilege. This we have done it number of times in analytic privileges. Okay. So this is the work I have done. Now let's create a repository. So we have seen that we have created a user called role admin. Let me show you that too, as we have already covered, but I'll show you role admin. Okay. And for role admin, we have assigned web ID role, that is editor developer, by which user can create role, and by this user can access security section in which he can create user and assign roles. Okay. And along with this, we also assign user admin so that he can assign roles to users. Catalog read is what? It is a system privilege by which a role admin can add any privilege, system privilege or object privilege or analytic privilege. Got it? Okay. Okay. Then there is okay. Coming to the object privilege, this I'll be explaining. Okay. This I'll be explaining. That's it. Okay. These are the package privileges user has. Role admin. So let's go to web ID. Role admin. Password. Welcome. Network. Okay. So I'll create a new, I'll create a new package so that this package can be used for transportation as well. Package, role design. Any name you can throw. We already have role dev and role development packages. Role design. Okay. Any name you can provide. Role admin, or you can provide a name as Shah. Okay. Created a package. Fine. You can see the package error. Creating a package. Okay. This user might not be having a privilege to create a package. No problem. The package I can also create it. I can create a package here by system user because we haven't provided package privileges. See here, we have provided only read repo, So we cannot create package. No problem. I'll create a package and assign it to user. It takes a little bit time. Role design. Okay. Role design. Fine. No delivery name, which we'll discuss today. Click on OK. And then role design, and I'm assigning it to user. Okay. So we have some issues here in HANA Studio to assign packages. What I do is I'll get into security section from web IDE, and then I'll log in with system user. So I can see role admin still. Hope we can assign it to. Okay. So let me log off system. Welcome. Fine. Okay. He is a system user. So the role admin, and now I'll assign a package called role design to this role admin. Design. Okay, fine. I'll just provide. Okay. Repo read. And okay, we also need to provide this edit native repo activate. Okay. Okay, these are the three privileges I'm assigning because by this the role admin can read the content of the package. By this, role admin can also create the objects under the package. By this, he can activate it. Right? Save. Fine. Stop. Okay. And now I'm going to log in with the role admin. Welcome. Okay. Fine. Now user has role design package. Now I'm creating a new role. Okay. Any name you can do. I'm providing a name as
Your voice is breaking.
now.
Yes, clear.
Okay. Z role reporting rank. Define reporting role. Or any input test or Z role handler. Okay. Because we are going to add other privileges to create. Fine. So let's see, adding all the privileges so that we can also check this in the target system. Okay, adding these three privileges. Fine. Okay. System privilege is what? System privilege by default, all the default objects of the SAP HANA is controlled by system. Okay. Then object privileges. Let me save this. Let's see. Save. Okay, saved successfully. Coming to reporting rules. So for all the reporting rules,
Shahid, these three system privilege will automatically come after creating the role.
I didn't get you.
These three system privileges, this will automatically come like after
Where?
creating the role.
Where?
In the role, the new role which you have created.
Yeah, that's the purpose of adding these privileges to make it available in the role, right?
Okay.
Okay.
So, Shahid, what is the necessity of agent privilege?
See, there is no necessity of any system privilege. The purpose of adding this here is I also want to show you when we transport it, what we get in the target system. That is just a all system privileges are for administrative purpose. Got it? All system privileges are for administrative purpose. Okay, okay. So adding, coming to object privileges for all the reporting users, we must provide three common object privileges. Okay, repository rest, okay, repository rest, execute, runtime. These are the runtime objects. Then sys bi,
That's underscore sys, right?
yeah,
Yeah.
underscore sys, no problem. Okay, so these are the two privileges required. Okay, select, fine. Okay, then analytic privileges. Hmm, I'll show you what analytic privilege we have here uh, under this HR info. This is the analytic privilege. Okay, AP HR info. Adding this analytic privilege AP underscore HR info. Fine. Okay. And along with this, okay, let's create this. Save it. What's the issue we faced? I'll explain that too. Right. So we added system privileges, then we added object privileges required for what? Reporting users. Now I'll create a schema. I'll create a schema. Any schema we can create. Create schema demo. Okay. There won't be any schema demo. Okay. So schema is created now, right? Which I can show you here. Fine. So demo is created. Okay. Let's see what happens now. This was the issue we faced in our last session. Now